You too. Okay, straight in. Take his head off. Feels so wrong. We are in Kichijoji.
Kichijoji!
We're gonna go to the Studio Ghibli museum, aren't we?
No.
Yeah, what? Yeah, no, we got tickets.
No.
Went on the internet. Got up early, especially. Went on the internet on the day they went on sale.
Except that the coronavirus is out, so nobody's allowed to go to this.
Oh, that's right. I forgot. Yeah, they closed it. Yeah. And then we were like, oh, it's fine. Well, we've got an extra day now. Let's go to Disneyland or something.
Yeah.
And then they closed that.
Yeah.
So, but it's fine because what we are doing, we're gonna go and have a look at it.
I mean, that's the same thing, right?
Yeah, absolutely. But we're gonna go and get the amazing Totoro cream puffs from a little bakery that is not too far away. In a lovely park. So I think it's around here somewhere. There it is. On the right. He looks serious about his ramen. Not as serious as Totoro is about his cream puffs. Cute. Hello, Totoro. No queue, and they have cream puffs left, right? Yes. Okay. Strawberry, custard, chocolate, banana, and one of each, right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, hello. 1,780 yen. Oh, look, a little sticker on top.
Best like £12 we've got
Ever.
ever.
Sorry, I'm not interested in you. The bag. You should have like them attached to your wrist by a handcuff. You know, like you see in films when like a man's got $1 million in a briefcase. That is just as important.
Which
one are you looking forward to?
all of them.
All of them. I'd say strawberry, potentially the banana caramel sounded amazing.
Yeah, I think they all sound good.
I do. So, to Inokashirapark. Does seeing rowing boats take you back to our second date?
Yes.
Flashbacks?
I mean, it's not
So,
like
like,
flashback.
Post-traumatic stress?
What is chili?
1.6
1
million score views. We have a chili vending machine. Because why not? Call the pain of the scorpion. Extremely spicy. Caroline, when you aren't here, world #1 Caroline. Carolina Reaper. I mean, that is a weird one, but if you don't want that, just get yourself some bread in the can. Looks delish. It's a nice view and all, but cream puffs.
Yeah, no rush.
So hungry. When we get close,
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you how, but you'll know that you're getting close.
Okay.
Okay?
Ah, it's cute music.
300 meters.
Yay! I don't really know what I'm excited about.
We can't go in. Here's what you could have won.
Woo!
Oh, you must be able to. Can't you even get a picture? How sad. How sad. Yes,
Yeah.
it's okay. It's okay. We did.
We did, yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yay.
Piece of fish. Look, it takes payments for nuts. 3 planktons and 2 nuts.
Look, it's the sprites. Thank you. Oh, this stuff is lovely. It's such a nice building because
It's gorgeous.
it was designed by the animators and Miyazaki himself. So it's a really sort of kooky, unusual building. Like the films, really.
I guess. We're just gonna have to come back one day.
Yeah, one day. Although by the time we come back, the theme park will be open.
Yeah. Well, next time.
Yes.
Can we sit here?
We are going to sit here and eat our cream puffs.
Mm-hmm. Oh, do you know one?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Oh, yes, we can. In the back, we have a little
Cute little shop.
It's got
Okay.
2 shops. The one we went to, a little cafe.
Yeah. Can you stop showing me what we're going to be eating and we'll just eat them?
Look, you can get a little
Yeah.
Christmas tart. It says
Looks
Merry
beautiful.
Christmas.
Looks beautiful.
You can get wedding
Yep.
cakes too.
Mm-hmm.
You obviously have to get married to that.
Mm-hmm.
And then you get a little Totoro sticker.
Yay.
And then itself. Here we go.
Yeah, they'll have different hats on.
What's this?
A little ice pack. Keep them cool.
Oh. It's got
Amazing.
penguins on it.
So the leaf is custard, strawberry is that, chocolate is the blue hat, banana is the... Cool. Okay. So cute, is it?
Thank
So
you.
cute.
Thank you.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, straight
Ready?
in. Take his head off. Feels so wrong.
Andy,
Yep,
if you could eat Totoro,
yep.
I feel like you will taste of clouds
Yeah,
and unicorns.
okay.
All things magical and
Yeah.
amazing. And that
Is as close as you're gonna
as
get.
close as you are ever going to get
Okay.
to tasting clouds and unicorns.
Alrighty. Right. I'm gonna go strawberry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that cream filling at the bottom. Oh, that is amazing.
Oh.
You look like
The
your life has just been completed.
The strawberry's amazing.
Would you die a happy man right now?
It's like it tastes like strawberry ice cream, that sort of
Okay.
flavour. Oh, it's so good. Here you go.
I know. I know. You don't need a close-up. I'm saving that bit for later.
Okay.
Wow. It really does taste like strawberries and cream. Like, so good.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Nice fluffy chocolate.
Like chocolate ice cream.
Yeah, nice. I like that. Sharp chocolate mousse.
Good.
Bad.
just before you eat that, just so you know, tomorrow we're going to be on a strict diet of lettuce.
Cool. Okay. Worth it.
All right, that's fine. Carry on. Oh, your hat fell off.
It doesn't taste a banana flavour.
No?
It tastes a banana.
Oh, okay.
It's good. I think there's bits of banana in it.
Amazing.
I like it. Yeah. There's banana in it, isn't there, I think? Just doesn't taste of that sort of fake, full fake banana.
No, it tastes like banana bread or something
Yes,
like that.
that's it. That's exactly it. Lovely.
Delicious. Worth every single calorie. So, we did not know about this place until we watched the video by Simon and Martina. So, thank you very much, Simon and Martina. It's truly, even though we've only been in Japan for
2 days.
2 days,
Yeah.
3 days.
Yeah. 2.5, yeah.
Yeah. So far, highlight of the holiday.
Yep.
Without a doubt.
Yep. Poor Totoro.